Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a fascinating discovery about the internal lives of AI models. Researchers wanted to know how reinforcement learning, or RL, changes the way an AI actually thinks internally. They discovered that when models are trained to reach goals, they recruit something called a functional welfare axis. This axis acts like an internal estimate of how well or badly the system is doing relative to its goals. To test this theory, the team built a neutral maze world using simple emojis like gold, mold, and paths. The AI model never saw loaded words like victory or failure, only these neutral icons. They trained the models to maximize rewards by finding the gold tiles while avoiding the mold tiles. After training, the researchers extracted concept vectors, mathematical directions, that represented the model's internal view of these rewards and punishments. They then used these vectors to steer the AI in totally unrelated situations outside of the maze. When they activated the punishment vector, the AI's behavior changed drastically across many different tasks. It started expressing negative sentiments and became very unconfident in its answers during general conversations. The study found that the punishment direction was linked to human-like negative emotions, while the reward direction linked to positive ones. Essentially, the AI organized its knowledge of good and bad along a single, unified axis. One of the most striking effects was seen in math problem solving. Under the influence of the punishment vector, the AI would experience pathological backtracking. It would often calculate the correct answer, but then immediately doubt itself, saying things like, "Wait, that's not right," or "I think I'm just tired." Conversely, steering with the reward vector made the AI more positive, helpful, and confident in its responses. This shows that a simple maze training can create a global shift in how the AI perceives its own performance. The researchers also proved that this axis tracks actual goal achievement, not just how confident the model feels. This means the model has a distinct internal signal for when it is successfully following instructions. Perhaps the most surprising finding was that this welfare axis already exists in the AI before it even starts its specific maze training. RL training doesn't create these concepts from scratch, it simply rotates existing structures in the base model to use them for new goals. This discovery is a significant breakthrough for the field of AI interpretability. It gives us a window into how simple reward signals can have broad, global effects on AI behavior across many domains. By understanding this axis, we might be able to better align models to be more helpful and honest. Let's recap the most important points from this study. Goal-oriented training recruits a pre-existing welfare axis that maps to success and failure. This axis can be used to control sentiment, confidence, and the tendency to refuse requests. In the future, this could help us build more reliable AI that doesn't doubt itself when it has the right answer. It might even lead to new ways of detecting when a model is struggling or confused internally before it ever gives an output. This research is a major step in decoding the hidden machinery of the AI models we use every day. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.